Okay, this video I want to show you how we can use this app to automatically harvest converting terms from auto campaign to manual campaign, or even from manual campaign to another manual campaign. So let's take a look. As you can see, I set up an automation rule that whatever there is a conversion, which means the order is greater than 0 or has one order, then it will move that converting term to a manual campaign. So in this rule, I set it up. It can move from different marketplaces. For example, in this campaign, it's an auto campaign, and it has this term, geometric coloring book. It made a sales. So I asked the rule to automatically transfer to this manual campaign in UK. So because I think this term, it also might have some conversion from these different marketplaces. So same thing for this term, bold coloring book patterns. It's from US auto campaign, and there is a purchase from this term in the US marketplace. Then this app will automatically help us to create the campaign and add the keyword to this manual campaign. So that means I don't need to do it manually. For example, let's take a look for this first one. It's in Canada and it's auto campaign. I think it's okay. It's this one. It's CA Canada, and you see there are some terms made as sales, and you can see the geometric coloring book adult, pattern coloring books for adult, and the coloring book patterns. So let's go to the UK. We should be able to see these terms because this term has been added to the manual campaign. Let's just search it for it. You can see it's being added, and you can set up the bit you want. Let's test another one. This is geometrics one. So I don't need to go to Amazon ads again, and it will automatically add for me and the match types you set up in the rule. So this is a very time saving for you, and also the app will check if the terms has been moved. It will skip because it says it already exists. But let's take a look of some. Okay, you can check here. Add it as a new keyword target, and it added us 3 different phrases into from Netherlands, this manual campaign to the L1, okay, different manual campaign, which means yeah, you can move the search term from different campaigns to campaigns, from auto campaign to manual campaign, or manual campaign to another manual campaign. Why we do this? Because we want to funnel out the terms. All right, the terms on the top layer, it's more broad, and if we think there's a conversion, we move them down. And if there's another conversion and we set up some condition, it will keep moving down. And in the bottom of the campaign funnel, you will have the most related converting search terms for your books, for your ads. So that's why we are doing this. So you can see it just automatically do it for you. So you don't need to do manually do anything. So, and because we all know that do the terms moving to another, it's very time consuming. And you can even set up the negative. For example, if you move from auto campaign to a manual campaign, you can negative the terms in the original source campaign. I don't know if I set up the negative, but we can take a look. Probably not. Yeah, probably not. So you can do that as well. And it's all in our app. You just go to Uool. Let me see if you can find it. You just go to Uool.io and click free trial. We have 30 days free trial, so there's nothing you need to pay, and you can start try to build your ads automatically. Yeah, so that's about it. Yep, I will see you in the next video, and I will talk about how to set up these all kind of new rules. All right, talk later. Bye.